Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today I wanted to do just a very nice glowy look, and I wanted to use my highlighters from Aina with Artist Couture, and I used the LeBrons and I used the La Peach both in this tutorial. I used the LeBrons for my lid, and I used the La Peach for my brow highlight as well as my inner corner and my cheek highlight. And you can see they pack a punch. They are absolutely stunning, and I really love how this look came out. I think it's like a perfect Valentine's Day look, or a brunch, or a date night, whatever you will want to wear it to. I think it's like a really nice light pretty look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, please continue to watch. Please remember to continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow our family. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Alright beauties, getting started. I used the L'Oreal Lock It Seal in Deep Brunette for my brows. It was my first time using it, and I really like it so far. I'll let you guys know as I use it more, but for right now I'm definitely recommending it. It has good pigmentation, and it's not too drying, and yeah, I like it. And you'll see me talking throughout this. I was trying to do a talk through, but it ended up being way too long. So I will try again and do a talk through with you guys so that we can actually talk, have some conversation. And now I just cleaned up my brows with some concealer. This is a new CoverGirl concealer that I've been trying out, and I'll let you guys know how that is as well. This is brand new as well, so I have not used it very often at this point, but I have now, and I do like it. Now I'm going into the Morphe 350, and I'm going into the color called Heat, and I'm just starting to tap it on the outer V and then blending it into the crease. So tap it first on the outer V to get the pigmentation to be the strongest on the outer V, and then blend the excess into your crease. And just blend back and forth until there's no harsh lines. Now go into the color called Chestnut and blend that right into the outer V. Don't blend that into all the way into the inner crease, just into the outer V, and tap it first and then blend it so that you get that to be deeper and create some depth. And then just without adding any extra product, blend into the crease. And then this is a brush with no product on it, and I'm just blending out any harsh lines so that this is a seamless look. Then I'm going into both the color Heat and the color Chestnut underneath my eye. It was like 45 minutes, you guys, when I actually edited it with me talking, which is entirely too long, so I'm going to have to work on not being so chatty but still talking. And right now I just went into the black color called Wiz, and I'm just putting that into the outer V and keeping that right there. I'm not going into the middle of my, into the front of my eye, just going from the outer V to like the middle and just right into the back of my eye, because I just need the color to just be a little bit more intense there. But I don't intend for that to stay black, so that's why I went so far over. We're going to go ahead and go back into the color Heat and blend that right on top just to get the color to pop even more. And you can see the difference right now from each eye, how the color pops so much more once I added that black and put the color over it. Now we are going into the Star Attraction LeBrons from Aina Artist Couture. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Artist Couture collab. And I got this from the first launch. So you can see it has a black top, so that was from the first launch. And I absolutely loved it, but this highlight is too dark for my skin tone. So when I looked straight on, it didn't look good, but it looks good shining on the side. So I use it for an eyeshadow, and I just wanted to show you guys how I do that. And then I went into the color Brave and Wiz, which is this chocolate brown and black, just to blend into the highlighter and to just bring everything together. And I'm just going back in with the highlighter and going back in, blending with the brush with the Brave and Wiz until it comes out where both colors are blending together perfectly. Now we're going to go into Jackie Aina's collection, the new one that just launched called La Peach. And this one is actually perfect for me. So this one I can wear as a highlight, but I also love it as an inner corner and brow highlight. So that's what I'm doing right now. I added that to my inner corner. And now this is the Sonia Kashuk eyeliner. It was on clearance at Target and I wanted to try it out, so that's what I'm using. And I'm not going to create a big wing. I want the highlighters to be the star attraction for this look, and I want this to just be a nice and really, really glowy look. So I'm not going to have like a large wing. So you can see it's a very short wing. Now I'm using this Maybelline nude liner for my waterline. I didn't want it to be too dark because I wanted to keep it nice and light and glowy. And then I'm using these lashes from AliExpress. I like to get my lashes from AliExpress because they look like mink lashes and they are like $3. And I'm using my mascara, my L'Oreal mascara, on my bottom lashes, and then just blending once again the color Heat underneath my eye. And then I just wanted to add some concealer because it had some fallout from the red, and I figured I could just turn it into like a color corrector by adding concealer on top of it. So instead of wiping away the red, I used the concealer and blended it with the fallout, and it worked out pretty well. You can see that concealer blends really well. And I'm just showing you I'm using the Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer, and I'm using this e.l.f. Glow Lotion. So first I'm putting on the e.l.f. Glow Lotion, and you can see the glow on my face after I put it on. I really do like this lotion, and I recommend it, but I do recommend putting something mattifying over it, and the glow will still come out when you do your makeup. So this is my Evermatte Poreless Primer on top of it, just to fill in my pores, but you can see the glow it leaves on my face. However, I do have oily skin, so I don't need too much glow, so I just like to use this primer over it because it does help to mattify it. And I'm just putting that on my forehead because I have pores there, and just putting the excess everywhere else, which was just a little that was left. Now we're going to be going into our Fenty 380, and I use 2.5 pumps. I'm using my Real Technique sponge and just blending that all over my face. Sometimes I have to mix like 1 pump of 340 in it. It just depends, but I didn't feel like mixing today, so I just did the 380. And I have hyperpigmentation on my cheeks, so I like to use the excess on my cheeks to clear that up. And go into my nose because my nose has kind of like deep set sides. Now I'm once again using that CoverGirl concealer. Sorry for covering my face. I didn't realize I was doing that with the mirror. And I'm just highlighting all of the areas I would want to highlight and bring light to. And blending that out with the Real Technique sponge as well. And I'm just taking my time to make sure everything just melts in perfectly. And I really like this concealer because it is super blendable. It doesn't dry out extremely fast, but it doesn't stay super wet. So I really like it so far. Of course, there goes my daughter in the background. They always end up having to look for something while I'm doing my videos. Now I'm adding my Sacha Buttercup powder. This is the setting powder I like to use because it has a yellow undertone, and I have yellow undertones, and it helps to bring color back into my face but not flush my color out. And I like to bake, but not very long, because I've been noticing my under eye has been getting drier and drier the older I'm getting, and I have lines underneath my eye already, and I don't want to make them exaggerated more. So I'm just patting that powder into my skin and making sure to pat it all the way in, and then any excess I will blend away. But I'm just blending that powder into the highlighted areas. I like to put them around my smile lines as well, because I've noticed as I'm getting older, my smile lines are pronounced more. And then I went into my It's My Ray Ray collab palette with BH Cosmetics, and I'm using the lighter contour shade. And just blending that with her actual brush from her collection as well. This is my favorite new contouring bronzing brush. Super soft and just nice and full. Now I'm using this brush from e.l.f. and I'm just using the edges to contour my nose. I concentrate most of the color of the contour right by my eyebrows where the nose comes down, and then the excess I just use to go down the nose and underneath to add a little contour. And I'm just blending it out. Now I'm using my big powder brush and I'm blending away all the excess powder. Perfect. Now we're looking nice and matte and contoured. I'm going to go in with this Tarte blush. It's like a berry blush. I got it out of my Ipsy bag, and I'll list down the color below. Perfect little flush though. Oh, that's that La Peach, y'all. The La Peach is so gorgeous. It has like this iridescence to it that you can't really see on camera, but it's so beautiful and glowy. So I'm just adding that onto my cheeks to get that glow. And you can see that glow is popping. And look at the other side, boring, popping, you know? So we got to go ahead and add that on the other side. Yes. That La Peach is like my favorite. Now when my skin is really texturized or looking really texturized, it can make your texture look more exaggerated, but it is so gorgeous, like you almost don't even care. It's so pretty. If you want to look glowy, this is what you need in your life. The La Peach was so perfect. Like, I was so happy she came out with La Peach because I really wanted to wear LeBron's, but it just wasn't that flattering on me as a highlighter. As an eyeshadow, it's popping. So I'm so happy I can wear this La Peach now and represent for Jackie and Artist Couture and blind and glow. Alright, I am loving that glow. Now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Trendsetter Lip Kit. And I'm using the lip liner to line my lips and fill them in. And then I'm going in with the liquid lipstick that comes in the set. It comes with a pencil, a lipstick, and a lip strobe. And I'm going back into the La Peach because I just had to go hit that glow up again. Can never have enough glow, and this glow is just so gorgeous. I was just like, you know what? I feel like I need a second dose, and I did. Watch how my inner corner gets popping when I just add a little bit more of that glow. Look at that. I'm just telling y'all, this La Peach is the truth, okay? After I did this beat, I had to call my mom and blind her for a minute. She thinks I'm crazy, but I was like, Mom, I'm sorry to blind you like this, but, you know, blame Jackie. That's that La Peach, honey. And now I just added the lip strobe. And I am loving this look, you guys. How are you liking it? This is this lip here. I'm loving this look. Oh, but there's only one thing that is missing. Alright beauties, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's nice and glowy and it has a pop of color, so it's like a nice fiery goldy look. We used the LeBrons and the La Peach in this look. I really love those highlighters. I got the LeBrons on the first launch and I got the La Peach on this launch, and just in case, you know, you got LeBrons and it's too dark for you, or in case, you know, it's so much highlighter you're wondering what you can do with it, I just wanted to show you guys how I use mine. So this gold on my eyes is LeBrons. The brow highlight in inner corner and highlight are all the peach, and these highlighters are amazing. They just melt right into your skin and I think they are absolutely stunning. I definitely recommend them. And I just wanted to do a tutorial just showing you how to glow. So you guys let me know what you think about this product. If you guys have it, if you're going to get it, let me know. And you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for your support. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow our family. And if you guys have any questions, leave them below. Or if you guys want me to do a specific look, let me know below as well. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day.